All right, this is 2015 Topps High Tech Baseball. This is a three-box break, 234, 235, and 236. Let's go ahead and screen share you in. We got Ginger C up top and Chris B down at the bottom. We're going to take our list of names here, copy them, and into random.org we go 7 times through. Good luck to you. This will determine where you fall on the spreadsheet. All right, good luck. There's 1. We got 2. Here comes 3. Make it 4, 5, 6, and number 7. All right, John B is up top. Chris B is down at the bottom. Into the spreadsheet we go. Let's find out where you landed. All right, let's go ahead and bring this over to the break screen. Come on, Titans. All right, here is our team assignment list. Take a good look. You like to make a trade, you know what to do. Just offer it up. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and take these down for the time being. The old cameras. Make a little more room here on the screen. All right, good deal. Good deal. All right, any trades? Trade windows open. Oh, you did. Pat landed on him. How about that? Pat's always. Okay, we got a confirmation there. Got you. Giants for A's. I'll go ahead and swap that out. Yep, I got you. You good, you good. All right, let's see here. Giants and A's. Oaktown. Good luck to the two of you on your trade right there. All right, no more trades. Here we go. All right, first up, it's going to be Ken Griffey Jr., one of the sweetest swings ever in baseball. All right, we're going to get our camera working. There we go. Seattle Mariner, the spiral right there. Seattle Mariner, Mike B. Mike B, that's coming out to you. Next up, Frank Robinson right here with the grass. Frank Robinson right there. Cincinnati Red Zoner, that's going to be Ernie D. Ernie D. And Kansas City Royals, Alex Gordon is going to be next up. Alex Gordon right here. Kansas City owner, it's going to be AG. Aaron G right there coming out to you, sir. There's my man. Old Derek Jeter, El Capitan. New York Yankees owner, that's going to be Chris B right there. Nice hit, Chris. The Jeets. Kansas City Royals right here. Brandon Finnegan. Brandon Finnegan right here. Kansas City one more time. Aaron G coming out to you. And then we got the Pipes version of Brandon Finnegan. The Pipes version coming up. Brandon Finnegan once again. Aaron G running hot. Running hot right now. All right, the purple grass right here. Juan Gonzalez. Juan Going Gonzalez. Texas Rangers. Zoom in for me, buddy. There it is. Come on, Juan. Where you at? Texas Rangers owner. That's going to be coming out to you. And that is Dan F. right there. Let me lower this a little bit, see if that helps. All right, here's the auto. Boston Red Sox, Chris B. Not too bad on the bookend, huh? Rusney Castillo right there, 25 of 99. Chris B, that's coming out to you, sir. Not too bad on the bookend. Nice hit, man. Ants, what's happening, Ants? I'll have to check on that for you. I don't know any numbers right offhand. Anything close. We'll have to check. I'll look that up for you here in a few. All right, here we go. First up, Spiral. Washington Nationals going out to you, Marquise Grissom. Marquise Grissom right there. And that's Chris B. Guys, I do apologize for the camera tonight. Unfortunately. There we go. Much better. There he is, old George Springer. George Springer right there. Houston Astros. That goes out to KC. KC. Francisco Lindor. He's going to start us out here from the top. And that goes to the Cleveland Indians under John B. Jose Fernandez is next. Jose Fernandez. Miami Marlins right there. And that goes out to Chris B. Noah Syndergaard. Nice. The pipes variation right here. New York Mets owner. And that's going to be John B right there. John B. You guys see how I tricked the camera into focusing for me? Here's a nice one. Mr. Hank Aaron. Hank Aaron right here. Number to 25. Number 21 of 25. Atlanta Braves owner William M. Nice hit right there. 21 of 25. Hammer and Hank Aaron. It's got a good shimmer. All right, here we go. Chicago White Sox, Micah Johnson right here. Look at that. Chicago White Sox, Chris B. And Raisel Iglesias, Cincinnati right here. Ernie D coming out to you, sir. Ernie D, congratulations. Number 26, inscription. All right, guys, last pack. One of one, nice. Come on, Omar Vizquel me one time. All right, here we go. First up, Reggie Jackson right there with the New York Yankees. Reggie Jackson. That goes out to Yankees owner Chris B. And here we have Addison Russell with the Chicago Cubbies. Pat, coming out to you. There's the base version right there. Iglesias. Cincinnati, Ernie D. Chris Sale's coming up next. Chicago White Sox right here, Chris Sale. And that goes out to Chris B. The pipes variation, Kevin Plawicki. New York Mets owner, that's going to be John B right there. Nice hit, John. And what do we have here? Wow. Oh, man, heating up. Heating up. All All right, Cal Ripken Jr. Looks like 45 of 50. 45 of 50 right there. Baltimore Orioles. Nice hit. And Chris B. coming your way. And here we have Drama. Look at that. Tech performed nice. Giancarlo Stanton, 34 of 50. Miami Marlins owner. That's going to go out to Chris B. again. Nice hit, Chris. Let's get this thing focused in a little bit. 34 of 50. Man, I tell you what, this pack ended lovely right here, for sure. Bryce Harper, 75 of 75. Chris B. one more time on the Bryce Harper right there. Bishop doing work. All right, and then last but not least, it's going to be the high-tech autograph gold rainbow parallel of Byron Buxton right there. Mr. Byron Buxton. Nice. Old Bucks. And that's going to go out to Uzair. Uzair S, my man. Nice hit right there, buddy, coming your way. All right, 3-box break is in the books. Let's get that over to YouTube.